For once, I think what Chidambaram said may have been quoted out of context. You see, the problem with Chidambaram is that Chidambaram shows open contempt towards the media. I've seen it in repeated media interviews. In fact, I won't name the anchor, but I saw him being interviewed by someone pretty well known, and then the first question was asked, so PC looks at him with complete contempt and that sort of sneering disgust that he wears so well on his face, brilliant probably as an actor, and he looks at the anchor and he says that, have you read that document? So the anchor, poor chap, says that I have read, these are the 2 or 3 points. He says, no, I want to know whether you've read the document. So the anchor looks more and more befuddled, goes on the back foot. Now that is the moment that PC likes. Now the problem with that is that then you make certain parts of the media go against you, and in this case, when it comes to the middle class, he's of course issued a statement later saying that that's not what I meant, and he used the word we. But I thought he was making a point where he says that people spend 15 to 20 rupees buying an ice cream. They go out and buy a movie ticket, but when it comes to spending 1 rupee extra, there is a problem. I think somewhere along the line, he needs to sort of readjust the gears a bit and should not look at the media as this huge enemy that he has to address. Probably in his mind's eye, it is more of a fact that he feels there are certain issues with the media, that the media doesn't treat him fairly, that there are a lot of interpretations about what he says. But somewhere along the line, there has to be a stand where he takes, which is a middle-of-the-road approach. And that is why when someone like, when he makes this kind of comment about the middle class, which is blown up by the BJP, which sees as a brilliant cannon fodder to attack him. So he has a massive issue. Then who does he fall back on to counter the BJP? It is the media again. I really don't think so. Just because someone is a Harvard educated, Oxford educated person who comes back and who is now a seasoned politician, so there has to be a problem of huge disconnect. But there's a classic example of Shashi Tharoor, that comment about the cattle class in the airlines. I think since he came in straight from New York and had to mill around here in India and went to Kerala, wore a lungi, and I've personally interviewed Shashi Tharoor in the UN General Assembly headquarters when he was with Kofi Annan. So that was a very different Shashi Tharoor, very polished, and the way his speech, everything came into play. But the moment he used the word cattle class here, probably what he said was correct, but he got badly hammered. So there was a certain disconnect, and probably it's the adjustment, the screws that are needed to be tightened. Probably it takes a little time.